Way more in line.
Where did you go? You left me too soon. I wake up alone every night missing you. I don't know where you went.
Morning, beauties. Happy Sunday. We're going to church. I'm starting out a new vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This Battley has a channel. I tried a very different hairstyle. I never tie my hair like this. And did a little bit of layering. I'll show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, I had to wear this coat because I wish I had a black one. A nice black one, then you can have a nice black and blue outfit. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let me quickly step out. We'll catch up after church. I have to do my nails today and hopefully see my cousin as well. But yeah, I think we look nice and stylish. These are the vibes for the channel moving forward. Hope you guys really do enjoy that. Yeah, we're dropping some videos this week, so I hope you guys enjoy that. But let's go. Let me stop rambling. I don't have enough time anymore.
Come back to life, you do. When I close my eyes, we're swimming at night, we're floating on memories.
I got myself some chai latte. Because guys, but I'm so impressed at the size of their croissants. They're so big. They need to do better at work. They are ginormous. I want to have this before I go for my nail appointment, because then I'm going to be hungry and miserable if I don't eat now. But it was such a good service. Really, really great service. My wig started lifting. Oh my god. Hey, ek weet nie wat ek moet doen. Yeah. But yeah, I had a great service, so I'm gonna go do my nails, go back home and rest. I just have to buy some water and bananas. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Really nothing much. Still planning for my outfits. I really need to make sure that at least by next week I give the seamstress the material, because he needs to start working on it, and I don't want to fit it last minute or make changes last minute if I do. So yeah, but let's have a great day.
Up alone every night missing you. I don't know where you went off to, far out of this world or deep into the blue. Time goes by too slowly.
So I'm back. I found a clutch bag. I'm so glad I just went and compared at other stores, but also just took my time at that store. I was just like, so the options that they had were very glittery gold, like a gold, glitter gold. So this is just way more in line with the type of material I've bought for my dress, which I'm so happy about. I'm not a clutch girl, but the event calls for it, and yeah, ismemo siyahlonishwa. So I wonder how much it fits. Ooh. Okay, how do I open it? Yikes. Okay, it has this little tassel, but like, how do we open it? Or I hope I don't break it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. I think I can fit my phone in here. Doubt it though. But really nothing much is going to be carried in here. So this is so cute. I'm so glad. I'm so glad I found it. So glad. Okay, really cute. But yeah, let me chill, and we'll pick up tomorrow when we're starting our work week. And then I need to then be deliberate about finding this material that I want. It is a hunt. If I can't find it, I'm just gonna have to pivot and find a different cut for the skirt. Yeah, because I'm running out of time, and yeah, I don't want to be scrambling at the end. So I'm giving myself until next week to find it, and then yeah, we should be ready. But yeah, let's catch up tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Oh my gosh, I've got such bad news. I'm no longer a MacBook girly. Oh my god, Jet Pop. So I told you guys on Friday that I took my laptop in and basically there's nothing they can do about it. It's done, it's done, it's done. So cry for me. What a tough time to be a MacBook corporate girly. But it's fine. You know, we had a good 2 years. It's okay to take it. But I also got a pair of pants because, guys, my black pants have been going through a lot. And because it's winter also, it's a great way to switch it up. So from Superbalist, or specifically H&M, I did get these barrel loose fit high waist pants. I think they will do such a service to my body. I think these types of fits, loose fits, really look good on me. I think from a height perspective as well. So these are the ones. I did get them in a size 8, 36 or 8. I think so. But this is the cut. Let me just stand. Yeah, I think it'll look good. If you guys can see, I think it'll look good. But yeah, let me continue working on a different computer. But I just wanted to tell you guys that being a MacBook girl is I'm no longer that girl, but I'll always be that girl. Okay, yeah. I have to go fetch my cards from the bank, so let's go. I asked them to deliver it though. I don't know why I have to fetch them. Keeping it very casual. It is cold, but okay. Let's go. Take it down. Maybe it's gonna be zipped. Guess who's taking your health serious again? Winter's just not my season. I don't feel motivated to do any type of exercise in winter. So I am going back to my smoothies so that I'm healthy and, you know, in the trend of juicing. So we got spinach and celery. Never used celery before. And cucumber, add some avos, ginger, turmeric, yeah, and just do that. But now I'm gonna attend my last meeting and then cook something. I won't show you guys, but I won't show you guys the process. I'll just show you guys the meal itself. Let's catch up later. Morning beauties, welcome to another Wednesday. Well, the sun is coming now, which is great. I'm preparing to record and go to the office. I'm just doing my hair. I want to do a side part. I saw the girlies on TikTok have the L'Oreal campaign for that hairspray. I think I need it because, not even I think, I definitely need it because my lace is, or my wig is shedding, or has shed to the point where I now need to cover the lace a bit before I can completely replace it. So the Sasha. But today we're recording another sit down fashion video. I'm excited, and I'm posting my first video today, so I hope you guys eat that up. I'm wearing an all black outfit. I got this top from China Mall, and I got these barrel jeans from H&M. I don't know. I'm trying to get used to them. I don't know. They look very Aladdin-y, like denim Aladdin pants, basically. But let's see how we can navigate that. I don't know if I should tie my hair. I want to do a side part bun, but let's see. My lashes are falling out. I'm only gonna do them next month. So you guys are gonna see my face. This is who I am without lashes. It's crazy how different I feel I look when I don't have lashes on. Okay. My powder nkosiyami sekuphelile. Gosh. Hey, nkosiyami. Kuningi. Being a woman, how am I kuningi? Kuningi. Shame. Let me try this hair. I'll come back I'll come back with the hairstyle that one. I think we found a winner chicken dinner. Do a little swoop. I never do that. And then pull this much closer. Yeah, I think this works. Let me go and record so that I am not late. This one hair is showing, peeping out here. I don't know if I should leave it or complete it with a bun though. Let's see. Oh, a bun it is. Ooh, I love it. Ugh. I'm gonna wear my big gold earrings, but let's catch up after I've recorded. Guys, this is my stew. Yeah, I think I'll definitely just start recording from here. So this is my backdrop for some of my TikTok videos that I'll do, but I just wanted to show you guys that it's stew here cooler. I'm gonna have my green juice this morning, but I'll take it in with me because I don't have time. Let me find my yesterday. Get a straw for it, and I'll take that with me. Pour some water. I always just dehydrated when I forget water. Let me take a few pictures and then head on out with you. guys, I'm done with my hair. I want to step out and go to the shops just to get something to eat for supper. I also have prawns, which I think I'm going to cook tomorrow, but we will be closing the vlog today. I think I had a good week. I posted my videos. They're not doing so well. They're not doing well. Maybe I can just ask you guys like what days work, what times work, because I was following the analytics from YouTube Studio to see when you guys are watching mostly, and following that it's not proving to be as accurate. But actually, you know what, I've noticed that if people know you for something and you come in with another angle, it messes with it messes with the, I don't know, but it messes with the process. But I do enjoy putting clothes together, so it is something that I will continue to do. And I know that also the YouTube algorithm just wants to understand what's happening, you know, that things can't be sporadic. I don't think it like rewards that type of uploading schedule. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We are not demotivated, we'll still continue. So I want to step out. Like I said, I haven't been out the house since Wednesday, which is crazy. It really is crazy. So I hope my tires are not flat from being stationary for a very long time. But yeah, let me step out, guys. I really appreciate you watching. I really appreciate your support. And yeah, we'll keep on pushing. I will see you guys next week. I wonder if I'm gonna start the vlog tomorrow. I don't know, but yeah, it's been a great weekend, a great week. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend that this has a channel. Let's see each other then. Bye.